AudioJungle.
Quantel is a global player in the BSS market.
I'm Kai Keinänen. I'm head of development at Quantel. Quantel is a 20-year-old Finnish software company. We have been working with telecom operators in Scandinavia and rest of Europe for the last 20 years. Now we have some new exciting projects in Africa, Latin America, Eastern Europe, and we are expanding here. A couple of years ago, we started a new set of product development. We are aiming to create a full BSS as a service.
So we're going to run 3 different types of projects here in Kyiv. So we will have programs that are directly related to our core product. In addition to that, we are planning to run some customer projects which deliver extended functionality directly to our customers on top of the core functionality.
For me, it makes it interesting that the goal of these products and services we provide is to make the end user's life more convenient. Also, the other goal is to provide value for the teleoperators, either in form of time savings or more satisfied user base.
We are looking for different kind of talents. So I think altogether I would say that we're looking for highly skilled, proactive developers in 2 different fronts. So we look for front-end developers who help us to develop the compelling and modern UIs. But then we also need a lot of skilled back-end developers that help us to create these efficient and scalable modern microservices.
We want people to work very closely with our core development. Much of our core development happens in our development sites in Finland and Sweden. We want people to be communicative and cooperate with those teams. So in Quantel there's always a chat open somewhere with a problem you are working on. And we want people that are able to communicate with the rest of the team.
We try to run the services in microservices type of containers. We have REST APIs. Do asynchronous processing, try to avoid any blocking code and use libraries that fit these frames.
For the front end, we use either Angular or React plus Redux, depending on the product. Those front end connects to the back end through REST API, and backends are developed with either Java or Scala. We also use Docker for microservices.
We chose modern technologies. We need to be scalable. Think of having an iPhone launch in a country of 100 million people. You need to have scalable technologies. So we chose Cassandra as the main database. We chose Scala as the main implementation language. We chose Docker-based microservices for containing the system. And this has enabled us to do scaling. On the front-end side, we use modern technologies. We use React, Flux and technologies like that. This makes it rather challenging, and there's a lot of interesting problems to solve still with the frameworks, but also with the problem domain.